Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday glossy nude lip collection and also some of like the new popular trends that I've been wanting to try. You all always ask me what lips I'm wearing in some of my videos, so I just wanted to make a full video dedicated to that. And if you guys would like to know what I'm wearing, then let's get right into this video. This first combo that I'm wearing, I think this is the one that I get asked about the most. This is usually what I'm wearing when I start my videos off. The combo that I'm wearing now is a liner and gloss, no lipstick. It's from McGrath. It's called Flesh Astral. A really cute like soft peach tone. Her glosses are probably my favorite out of everything that I'm wearing right now, just because they're so sheer, they're soft on the lips, and they're not like super sticky. Usually when I find a gloss that I really like, I just stick to it and I'll just find hella different ways to wear it. So I might change up the liner sometimes or like add a lipstick underneath. But for the most part, this Pat McGrath Flesh Astral is what you guys will see me start my videos off with. I'm also wearing a liner from MAC. It's called Hover. I love this liner. It's like a natural reddish brown. And I'm going to show you guys on my hand just so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like. I think a lot of different skin tones could wear this too. You can always build it up to add more color or tone it down if you need to. There is another shade that I really like from Pat McGrath that I wear probably just as much as this one, and that's Flesh Fantasy. So this one is just a little bit more of like a pink undertone than the one that I have on now. It's a little darker. I feel like it still gives me the same color, but just a little darker. You guys can see that this one definitely has a little bit more of a pink tone. Like you can actually see the pink coming through with this one. This one is definitely more of like a natural rose brown. So even if you have more pigmented lips, or if you just like more of like the pink tone, I think that this one is really pretty also. So let's go ahead and get into our first trend, which is overdrawing the lips. This has been around for a long time, but it's still really popular. And I feel like as long as you have the right shade of liner, you can always get away with doing this. I usually either use Hover or Cork. I usually always use Hover to do this because it still looks nice and natural. Like that brown just blends in really good with my skin tone, and even in person you can't tell that I overline my lips. The next shade we're going to get into is Quartz Candy, and this is a new one from Fenty. If you guys haven't seen my review, make sure you go check that out, where I tried the new Slip Shine lipsticks. But Quartz Candy is so pretty. It has a little bit of like a pink undertone. I feel like no matter what age you are, you can wear this one as a really pretty topper on top of something or just by itself. Like I love a highlight. I love when I turn and like you can still see the highlight going. Okay, and this one was Quartz Candy. I've just been loving this one as like a throw on and go. You don't really have to like worry about adding liner or making sure that it's just super neat. This is like a lip balm, but with like a pretty pink highlighted tone to it. Another shade that I fell in love with from the Slip Shine collection was Cookies and Cocoa. This one was a neutral brown. It wasn't too dark of a brown, but definitely one that just blends in seamlessly with your lips. And a lot of times I'll either wear it by itself like this or with the clear gloss bomb on top, just by going over where it's already a highlight or a glow. Nude Truffle from NYX. This is another brown liner that I love. A lot of times I'll wear this with just clear lip gloss by itself because I love the color of the liner so much, or a lighter nude combo. So I'm going to show you guys both ways. The shade of this liner I just love so much. A lot of times I'll just go in with my favorite clear gloss from MAC. I like to wear this when I'm going out because all I have to do is just reapply the clear gloss and I don't have to worry about if it's fading or anything like that. There's also a really light pink combo that I like to wear with this liner too. This lipstick is called Fabby. It's a frost, so it has its own like natural highlight to it. And we're going to use Diva on top of this. This is a light pink from the Kylie High Gloss collection. It was also my favorite one. And sometimes you get tired of wearing the same shades over and over again and you want to switch it up. I think this is so cute. It's still natural, just a different shade. The next liner we're going to get into is Cork. This is an old school throwback from MAC. Here's what it looks like. And this is a brown that just works well with a lot of different skin tones. Cork is a liner that I'll wear with either a dark nude or a light nude. So I'm going to show you guys both options. Here's our lighter shade first. This lip gloss is called Candy Box and it's more of a neutral pink. I don't think it's really light or dark. It's more of just like a natural pink. I love how it looks with Cork. Sometimes I'll wear a lighter pink with Cork and it just looks too bright. It doesn't really blend in as well as I would like it to. So I love how this one looks. Another shade that a lot of different skin tones can wear also. Now this one is hands down my favorite brown lip gloss right now. Like I'm in love with this one. And this was from the Selena collection. It's called Hey Dad Pizza. I think you can still get some of this collection from Ulta and Nordstrom. But I'm so in love with this. I feel like it looks so good on the lip. It gives you a really pretty natural tone, but you still get that bright, highlighted, golden look on the lips. I just love how this one makes my lips look and it just blends in really good. It also works well with whatever makeup look I'm wearing, so that's always a plus. I know I can throw this on no matter like what eye look I have on. And I've just been wearing this one so much, I had to make sure that I included it in the video for you all. It might be a little harder to find, but I did see that there are still some out there if you do like this shade. I saved our most popular trend right now for last that my girl DDB is wearing. I love her so much. If you aren't familiar with her music, she is so dope. Like, she's my favorite artist right now. But the lip that she's wearing in this picture, I feel like it's like one of the most popular lips that I've been seeing. This whole dark liner with the new peach in the inside lip trend. Of course, it's been around for a long time, but it's coming back so pretty, gorgeous. I'm in love with it. I actually have this same liner, so we're gonna try to recreate this lip. I'm going to use Myth and Spice to create this peach shade for the center of our lips. But I'm actually really liking how this looks by itself too. So if you like this combo just by itself, this is the CCZN liner. Here's our final lip combo, and this was Myth mixed with Spice, and I absolutely love it. So pretty. It's just so many different ways you can wear nudes, from the lighter shades to the more deeper shades. But I hope this video was helpful for you all. If it was, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. These were definitely all of the lip combos that I've been like obsessing over right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you do want to see another lip video like this, let me know down in my comments. Or follow me on Instagram at Tay Franklin and DM me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.